Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Real photos of mock-ups of the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Fold 8 Wide, and Flip 8 have surfaced, revealing the proportions of the upcoming Samsung smartphones. Aluminum mock-ups reveal the proportions of future foldable Galaxy smartphones. New changes, launch date, and massive upgrades are revealed here. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. New images of Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones have surfaced online, giving a more accurate picture of next year's Galaxy Z lineup. According to the latest available data, these are not digital renders, but physical aluminum models, which allow for a better assessment of the actual proportions of the devices. The images published by tipster Sunny Dixon show mock-ups of the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Z Fold 8 Wide, and Z Flip 8 side by side. This format allows for direct comparison of the sizes and aspect ratios of the devices, without the distortions that often appear in new CAD images. The basic Galaxy Z Fold 8 continues the familiar design of the series. When folded, the device remains elongated and narrow, like previous generations. The design is focused on maintaining the familiar format, without any noticeable changes to the overall body geometry. The new Galaxy Z Flip 8 also retains the classic clamshell design. It remains a compact device, with a vertical form factor, and an emphasis on its compact size when folded. The mock-ups shown so far show no noticeable changes to the case design. The most distinctive variant was the Z Fold 8 Wide. This model is wider than the standard Fold and has a shorter, wider body when folded. This format may reportedly be designed to improve the experience of using the external display and make it more convenient to use with one hand. When unfolded, the device resembles a compact tablet due to its increased display aspect ratio. This distinguishes it from other devices in the lineup and points to a new take on the foldable smartphone format. According to insiders, the Fold 8 Wide may feature a dual camera, a 200-megapixel main module, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. All new devices will get massive hardware upgrades and new AI features. The new Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Flip 8 series are expected to be unveiled at Samsung's next Unpacked event, which is tentatively scheduled for July 2nd. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 will start at $1,999. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.